Kuburkan dalam hati, tanpa nisan. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada lereng bukit, karena tak menemukannya ketika jasadnya terbawa longsor. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada tanah datar, karena kami akan habiskan banyak waktu di sampingnya. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada tepian pantai, karena gelombang laut akan menghapus kenangan manisnya pada kami. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada pinggir sungai, karena ia tahan mendengar bisikan kami dalam kesepian yang terganggu gemercik air. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada area padang pasir, karena ketika menemuinya kami akan kepanasan dan haus. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada pinggir jalan, karena kami hanya mampir sesaat di sampingnya ketika melangkah ke arah lain. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada kompleks pekuburan, karena ada di dekatnya, maka akan bertemu sosok-sosok tak bernyawa. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada lembah kelam dan gelap, karena di saat senja kami sulit menemukannya. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia di antara hiruk-pikuk metropolitan, karena semarak rumahnya kalah dari gemerlapan cahaya metropolis. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia di area belakang rumah, karena ia akan jadi terbelakang dalam ingatan kami. Kami tak mau kuburkan dia pada halaman depan rumah, karena akan membawa kesedihan panjang ketika melihat ia terbaring sepi di bawah panas dan hujan. Tapi, kami kuburkan dia dalam hati dan tanpa nisan, sehingga ia tetap ada di sana untuk selamanya. Selamanya, dan selamanya, sang aku, Japi Empelokila.
Bury it in your heart, without a gravestone. We didn't want to bury him on the hillside, because we couldn't find him when his body was carried away by a landslide. We didn't want to bury him on flat ground, because we would spend a lot of time next to him. We don't want to bury him on the beach, because the sea waves will erase his sweet memories for us. We didn't want to bury him on the river bank, because he wouldn't hear our whispers in the loneliness disturbed by the sound of the water. We don't want to bury him in the desert, because when we meet him we will be hot and thirsty. We didn't want to bury him on the side of the road, because we only stopped for a moment next to him when we went the other way. We didn't want to bury him in the cemetery complex, because if it was nearby, we would meet lifeless figures. We don't want to bury him in a dark valley, because at dusk, it will be difficult for us to find him. We don't want to bury him amidst the hustle and bustle of the metropolitan, because the splendor of his house is lost to the bright lights of the metropolis. We didn't want to bury him in the area behind the house, because he would be left behind in our memories. We didn't want to bury him in the front yard of the house, because it would bring long sadness to see him lying lonely in the heat and rain. But, we buried him with our hearts and without a gravestone, so it remains there forever. Forever, and forever, the I, Japi Empolokila.